Hey best friends, welcome or welcome back to Extremely Modest. So as you can tell by the title of this video, something just had to go. So I've been just thinking, I just wanted to do some changes in my bedroom. Y'all can see the boxes. I'm gonna do a unboxing in a little bit, but I wanted to do some changes in my bedroom. So I wanted to share with you guys the updates and changes that I am making, and just kind of take you guys along with me on the journey of just redecorating my bedroom. So some of y'all are going to be like, oh my gosh, what did you do? But I just wanted to have a different look in my bedroom. So let me turn the camera around so you guys can see. All right, so dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, look at this. My walls look crazy right now. So one day I just came into my room and I was like, I don't want this no more. So I just took down the wallpaper. I can't believe I did it, but I did it. So these were some of the, I guess the peelings from the wallpaper. It didn't do too bad when it peeled off. And that's me trying to fix it, 'cause I am gonna paint it. But after I was done, I was like, what did I just do? What did I just do? But it's okay because I am on a journey to redecorate my whole room. You know, sometimes you just want some new things. I kind of wanted to get out of the glam, but these dresses are so heavy. So I'm gonna have to incorporate whatever design I go with these dresses because they are just so heavy. They'll probably stay here even after we move from this house, but whatever. But yeah, so I wanted to just do something different. The wallpaper just wasn't working for me anymore. So yeah. Before moving forward with the rest of the video, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my air purifier sent over to me by Taotronics. This purifier for your home captures pet dander, pollen, allergens, smoke odors, and dust from the air in order to create a healthy environment for you and your family. It has a smart auto mode equipped to sensor for real-time air quality monitoring, and it will automatically switch fan speed based on the air quality. The color code results means different levels of air quality. I love it because I feel like it did help me with my sinuses and allergies. I don't really wake up so stuffy, and especially with us having a pet, it does help with the pet dander as well. I would definitely recommend checking out Taotronics and getting this air purifier. Right now they have 50% off on their website for this air purifier and other cool items that you may want to check out as well. For other items that aren't on sale, I will have a 40% discount code linked below in the description box for anyone that is interested. I would definitely check them out at the end of this video. So I did go to my local paint store and I decided to pick up some color samples that I thought may look good in the room. I wanted a simple white, but not too white. I didn't want it to be white, like white as these bed linens. But I did want a nice light color. So I don't know. I did pick up this sample and I think it's a little bit too dark. My husband said I should have got like a satin finish, I guess, just so I can see how it's gonna look. But I think that looks okay. Yeah, so this is aesthetic white, and I think it'll look good on the walls. My wall colors is the basic, whatever color this is. It's almost like a yellow. Whatever color they paint the houses, that's what color it is. We didn't do any painting. I like the mineral ash. I thought that was cool. And of course, I also have this glided linen. I also like this color too. All of the colors are pretty similar to each other. Of course, different hues, but the color choices that I am going for, not the gray. I'm not doing the gray. So yeah, this is what we got. So far, I do have to sand and get this wall right now. So another update that I wanted to show you is this mirror. Dun dun dun. I love this mirror. It's a really tall, thick floor mirror that goes from head to toe. I didn't even clean it yet, so it still has like the little whatever these things are on it. But I love this mirror. I put a little plant right here because, you know, just to give it a little something something right now. But this is my update that I have going on right now. And another update that I did, which is very inexpensive, is to change out the doorknobs in my room. I plan on changing all of them throughout the house, but you know, you're gonna have to wait for all of them because it's pretty expensive to change like 57 doorknobs in your house. So I did do the door, the closet door, and then I also did my bathroom door, and then the other door in my bathroom. So this is just an update in my bedroom. As I purchase new things, get new ideas on everything, guys, I will be sharing it with you and just taking you along on redecorating my bedroom journey. So I hope that you guys are interested in what I have in store for my new bedroom. All right, best friends, so this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed my little update journey. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below on what you think that I should do to this bedroom if you have any suggestions. If you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.